Hi children, class 10th, pair of linear equation in two variables, class 10th. Although it is being discussed a few important terms, topics about the chapter, but now it's my approach to convince you all start entertaining with the chapters, with the questions. It's my small efforts towards the mathematics to convince you in a better way. The children, today I am here how to use the concepts with the questions. How will you all able to do the questions? This is only important. Once we deal with the concepts, we start doing the questions, and the concepts is being used in the questions, and once you know how to do the questions, how to utilize the concepts, this is only called day-to-day life experience. So let us begin once again with the pair of linear equation in two variables. This is called the general form of pair of linear equation in two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So this is called algebraic situations. Here it's now very important to deal with the questions it is given in the exercises. Already it is given you all the important concepts in the last videos. If you'll access, you'll have each and everything. So here now it is important how to deal with the questions and how the concepts is being connected with the questions. So this is the general form of the pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now I am not going to repeat anything right now. We'll repeat now whenever it would be required in the question. So let us begin with the exercise 3.1 we have here. Before going on the question, and I am reading the questions for you all and will do the question for you, let me tell what to do. It's very important what to do along with this question. In this question it is that the one situation it is given in front of us. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Let me tell you before starting this question. Suppose somewhere it is given 2x plus y is equals to 5. This is an algebraic situation, and you all did such type of question in class 9. It was told you to plot a graph given the linear equation in two variables. So this is called the algebraic situation. So in exercise 3.1 what we need to do, we need to here we need to write the algebraic situation very first, and once we'll have algebraic situation, I feel now you all know how to plot the graph, what to do if the two variables is given, so you already know. So let us begin now with the question and statement questions. It would be a big challenge for you all to make the situation algebraically. It is given something in the statement. So the very first question, the question it is based on the is. This type of questions it will come in. This is exercise 3.1, question number 1 we have. So first let me read the question for you. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Here, this is something talking about, here the two persons is being involved in this question, Aftab and his daughter. And here, because this question is based on ages. So, whenever you will start to do the questions, whatever the question is given is based on the basis, please try to understand. I am trying to give you some tips, some tricks that definitely will help you wherever. See, what is the challenge here? The challenge is, first this statement, the statement it is given that we need to change it into a algebraic scenario. So let us begin with, first we'll let Aftab's present days. Let me tell, wherever the question it would be based on the ages, we'll start with the present days. That is suppose x years, and daughter says daughter's present days. This is given y years. Now see, in this question, let me say that understand the peculiarity of the question, speciality of the questions. In this question it is Aftab and her daughter. We have started with the present tense. Now we'll start with the situation. What the very first situation is. 7 years ago. In this question, two types of things given. 7 years ago and 3 years from now. So we'll make the situation here. 7 years ago. Aftab says. Yes. Aftab says. Ago, you all know. This is something talking about 7 years past. So what we do? We'll write here x minus 7 years. 7 years ago, daughter says. Come on. Daughter says. What this would be? This would be y minus 7 years. Now, we'll make one more situation which is given in the question. Then we'll go finally on with the question. 3 years from now. So, 3 years from now. Aftab's is what it would be? X plus 3 years. And 3 years from now, daughter says, come on, daughter says, what this would be? Y plus 3 years. So I did it simultaneously. First I have collected the situation, I have written the situation. Now we are finally going to establish the situation. So after this, now we'll again start. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I. What I here? 7 years ago I. This is x minus 7. X minus 7 was is equals to I was. Who is I here? Aftab. Was, it stands for sign of is equals to. Thus I am trying to give you something that is especially something different. It is something different, that please believe me. I was 7 times as old as you. So here 7 into y minus 7. So this is the one situation in front of you. If you will solve this, it gives x minus 7 is equals to 7y minus 49. And what we need to express it into situation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. So it gives you what? X minus 7y x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. This is the first situation in front of you. This is the algebraic situation, and I am very sure if you all are able to plot the graph for this. You will make a table x and y. You will assume the value of y, and you will take the two coordinates, and you will have the graphical situation for this one. So this is only one. What about else? The next one is 3 years from now I shall be. Here I am just dealing with the now next equation. 3 years from now I. What's the I? This is x plus 3 is equals to 3 times as old as you, means 3 into y plus 3. So this gives you x plus 3 is equals to 3y plus 9, and this gives you x minus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. So this is the second situation. So two algebraic situations you have: x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. So this is the algebraic situation, and I am very sure of you will plot the graph for this equation, and that would be your graphical situation in the, this is for your question number 1. This was only very important in exercise 3.1. So that's why just I am telling you this exercise 3.1 and the rest 2 questions. I am just giving you a quick, I'll not write a statement. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. So suppose let the cost of 1 bat is x. So cost of 3 bat will be what? 3x. So the situation will be 3x plus 6y is equals to 3,900. And the next situation will be, here it is say that he buys another bat and 3 more balls, means x plus 3y is equals to what? This is 1,300. That is 1,300. So This is the algebraic situation. If you will represent this in a pair of linear equations, so 3x plus 6y minus 3900 is equals to 0, and this gives you x plus 3y minus 1300 is equals to 0, and try to represent this graphically. So third question, hopefully you all will do by yourself, you will not have any problem along with this. So I complete this exercise 3.1 along with this algebraic and geometrical situation.